Many of you are probably aware that we make an all-steel oil pump for the Barra engines. The reason we make them out of steel is because aluminium is a very, very poor choice for an oil pump in these engines. The expansion rate of aluminium is through the roof compared to the iron that we use when we make these pumps. So we can hold a tighter tolerance and produce more oil flow and volume and pressure out of a steel body pump. It's more expensive to make and much more difficult, but we want to try to do it the best we possibly can. Anyhow, we built our own little test bench to test every pump. So every single one that goes out of the door was put on this bench and test and run through a series of cycles to make sure that everything's performing up to specifications. So what we do is we just bolt it up. We've got a little sump under here with a pickup. We've got a few instruments on here. We've got oil pressure and we've got oil temp. So all we do is we just put it in, bolt it all up, get the oil up to temperature, and then we switch the test bench on. And we run the pump through its cycles. So we usually run it for about 3 minutes on setting 1 and then go through to setting 2, setting 3, setting 4, where we can run the pumps up to 8,000 RPM. So we're really making sure that they're perfect when they go out the door. We can also calibrate the pumps with their pressure and delivery to suit different applications. So if it's got vernier sprockets, for example, it needs less pressure than if it's got the factory VCT sprockets. So we set all our pumps up accordingly and send them out the door, knowing that they're done to the best of our ability and they will perform flawlessly.